Get ready to indulge in two types of mouth-watering rolls that are perfect for a quick snack or meal. To make these crunchy and flavorful rolls, simply we need to fry sliced carrots, cabbage, and capsicum in all until they're tender and lightly browned. Season with salt to taste and a pinch of black pepper. Wrap the veggie mixture in roll strips. These rolls can be stored in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks, making them a great option for meal prep or a quick grab-and-go snack. For the next recipe, heat oil in a pan and add the shredded chicken, sliced cabbage, carrots, and capsicum. Mix well. Add potatoes and seasonings. Then add salt, chili garlic sauce, soy sauce, and black pepper. Mix everything together. Cook the mixture for 4 to 5 minutes and let it cool. Place the cooled mixture onto roll strips and roll them up. Freeze the rolls for later use. When ready to eat, heat oil in a pan and fry the frozen rolls for 4 to 5 minutes. Delicious rolls are ready. Serve hot with tomato ketchup. Thanks for watching.